Hey, Lisa. How have you been?
Hey, Ben. I've been all right, just the usual routine. Work's been a bit hectic, and I'm juggling a lot of responsibilities these days. How about you?
I get it, Lisa. I've been in a similar boat. Things are okay, but there's a lot on my plate as well. The daily grind.
Absolutely, Ben. Sometimes, it feels like we're on an endless treadmill.
Hi, Rachel. How have you been?
Hi, David. I've been doing all right, just managing the usual. Work's been steady, but there have been a few minor setbacks. How about you?
I understand, Rachel. I'm in a similar situation. Work's okay, but some minor setbacks in my personal life have been a bit of a hiccup.
It's those little hiccups that keep life interesting, isn't it? Hey, Lisa. How have you been?
Hey, Tom. I've been all right. Just dealing with some annoying allergies lately. Work's been fine, though. How about you?
Allergies can be a pain, Lisa. I've been all right too. But I've been swamped with paperwork at the office. Just the usual grind.
Hi, James. How have you been?
Hi, Emily. I've been hanging in there, just handling daily responsibilities. I've been trying to exercise regularly. But some days I lack the motivation. How about you?
Staying motivated can be tough, James. I'm in a similar place. I've been working on a puzzle in my free time. I lack the motivation. It's funny, isn't it? Hey, Tom. How have you been?
Hey, Mia. I've been doing all right, trying to keep a routine. I've been reading before bed. But some nights, I'm too tired to finish a chapter. How about you?
I'm in a similar boat, Tom. Staying awake for reading can be a challenge. I've been trying to practice mindfulness meditation. But my mind often wanders, and it's hard to stay focused.
Hi, Sophia. How have you been?
Hi, Alex. I've been okay, just managing daily activities. I've been going for a daily walk, but the unpredictable weather sometimes disrupts my plans. How about you?
Weather can be quite unpredictable, Sophia. I'm in a similar situation. I've been trying to do some home gardening, but the pests keep nibbling on my plants. And it's frustrating.